Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to check salaries on Glassdoor. First, head over to glassdoor.com and make sure you're logged in to your account. At the top menu, click on the Jobs tab. Here, you can search for the job title or position you're interested in. Once you see the job listings, click on a job that matches what you're looking for. This will open the full job description. Now, simply scroll down the job description page. You'll find detailed information such as the salary range, benefits, and company insights. If you want to compare, you can go back and select another job posting. Glassdoor allows you to view salaries across different companies and roles, so you can see how pay varies. Keep in mind that this salary information comes directly from employers or shared by employees, so it's reliable and gives you a good idea of what to expect. And that's it. That's how you can easily check salaries on Glassdoor to help you prepare for applications and interviews. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.